Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable or how to disable chat and room tap on your Gmail app in your Android device. So if you want to add chat and room tap on your Gmail app, so first you want to update the Gmail app from your Google Play Store. After updating, on the top left side you can see three lines. Just tap on it. From here scroll down, open the settings. In the settings, tap on your Google account Gmail ID. Just tap on it and scroll down. You can get the option show the chat and room tabs. If you want to add, just check this option and click on OK. That's it. Now chat and room tab was added. Same thing guys, if you want to disable it, if you want to remove it, same thing, you want to uncheck that option, go to your Gmail app settings, go to your Google account, scroll down and uncheck this option. That's it, very simple. So this is the very easy and very simple method to add and remove the chat and room tab from your Gmail app. So that's it for today guys. It's the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.